Micah! Alright. Michael, come here. Alright, let's go inside. Yep.
Bathroom stop.
Let's
Hold the Tiffany. We got little Sophia here. She looks pretty happy right now.
Yes. Alright, mommy gonna pee first.
It's nice to have aircon here.
Yeah. Hi, kids are here. Here's Tiffany here. Hello, baby. And the kids are there. Sophia and Michael and Dion. We are here in Milwaukee country. Oh, good job drinking, Dion. That's right. Good job. Dion, Michael, are you gonna pee? Michael. Ang Tiffany. Oh, ang Sophia. Ito na ang Sophia ni Mama.
This is so good.
Michael, Dion. It is sunny day.
Here they got a timing thing.
Yes. It's very tiny.
Good penguin, anak. Dion, penguin. This way, Sophia. Penguin is here.
Let's take pictures.
Look at that. A penguin. Oh.
Oh, the one on its stomach.
Sophia, penguin. Look at that, Dion. Oh, you see that, Dion?
Oh, this one over here.
That's so cool.
He's laying there flapping his wings. Oh, here they come out.
Did you be a pool?
Yes, something else.
In the pool, little buddy.
One of them's anchovy. I think it's Should we go look at the sign to see what their names are? Come here. The blue one might be anchovy.
Dion, penguin. Dion, penguin. Look at that penguin.
Did it spray, didn't it?
Mama, there's more penguins back.
Yeah. Oh, go to Fia. Oh, let's go to Fia.
I hear that. That must be the train. The Zoom train. I hear the Zoom train.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, it's over there. By there. By the train track.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go then.
Mom, look at that one.
Alright, let's go, Michael.
Here they got a zoo transport there.
Yeah. That, he likes it. Kids likes it.
Yeah. I wonder
Where
if
is the
it's free.
station?
I don't know. We could ask a
We're
worker
gonna-
here.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Question that the zoo transport, is that free and where do you pick it up?
It's $6 and it's right here.
Oh, okay.
$6. Yeah, I like to ride that. I like the same train. Over there!
Transport.
Zoo transport.
Well, you get on it and I think it rides you around the zoo.
Yeah.
Then how can we say we're riding them?
Well, you just take a ride once and it takes you around and then you still can walk around too. So.
No, let's go walk.
Well, we can walk first. And
Okay.
when we get tired, we can take a ride.
Alright. Alright, let's go walk. Let's go.
So where are we going now?
We're headed towards. You want the Fia glasses here? Put them in your purse.
She doesn't want. Whoa, she's white.
No, throw them in your purse. You don't need to. Yeah, hold it. Forever.
Sophia! Sophia! Look out!
Sophia, are you the tour guide?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
is.
No.
Yes, I am.
Oh, we're gonna go to Apes of Africa.
Grab that other one and I'll hold it.
Gold coins, Michael.
Yes, I love that.
Oh, yeah. Wow, Dion is happy.
Do we have a penguin?
Yeah, we do. No, we don't.
Oh, we're gonna go to Africa now. Michael, come here, Michael. Monkey.
Mama, and this side. Mama.
Yes, baby. We're gonna see a monkey here.
I got it.
Open. Open.
Open. It's already open. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Micah, come here. We're gonna come here with stroller.
There's a bridge. Mama, there's a bridge, Mom.
Yeah.
Careful with the bridge. Careful with the bridge, Mom.
We're gonna see monkeys here. Gorilla. It's in the corner. Oh yeah. The monkey is sad there.
Looks like hungry.
It's alone. It's sad. Alone.
It's too far away. You don't want look at it. Close. It's a big one. You don't see it? You want to get back in and sit?
The monkey is in the corner.
Oh, I don't know. Someone dropped it. We're not going to get it though. Hey, do you want me to buckle you back up or you okay? Over there. There's more. Do you want me to be buckled?
There's a monkey, Dion.
There's some right there.
Monkey, Dion. You see a monkey.
Oh, do you see him?
Dion, a monkey.
Mom, one of the monkeys were like,
Are we good?
one of the monkeys were like, I'm gonna grab this
Kita
thing.
mo? Yeah?
Oh, I need a stick. I'm done today. So the monkey.
Excuse me, Michael.
What did they do? Monkey now. One
Alright, come on, Noe.
I'm gonna give you look for a little bit. What do you think he's doing?
I wonder if he's going to come down the ladder and stuff.
The monkey is going up. Look at that. The monkey is going up. Yes. Michael.
Okay, you're done with the monkey? Oh, yeah. Binoculars.